Are you making these skincare mistakes without even realizing it? Don't worry, we got you covered. Today we are talking about common skincare mistakes and how to fix them. Hi guys, it's your girl Zalakashi. So the first on my list is overwashing of face. Overwashing of face can actually harm your skin by stripping away its natural oils, leading to dryness and breakouts. Just stick with washing your face morning and night using gentle cleansers suited for your skin type. This will help you to balance your pH levels and it will not strip away your natural oils. So another skincare mistakes that you guys are doing is not using sunscreen. Okay, some of you will say, no, I don't use sunscreen. No, I don't know how it looks like. No, I don't do this. No, I don't do that. Not using sunscreen causes premature aging. Okay, some will damage your skin barriers. Okay, so it's better for you to start using your sunscreen. Use at least SPF 30 plus. That's the best version you can use. Make sure you're using your sunscreen every day. Even if you're indoors, please try and apply your sunscreen. You get why. So another mistake that you guys are doing is not using your skincare products in orderly manner. Okay, start with your cleanser. Start with thinner products to thicker products. Okay, you can start with your cleanser, then your toner, your serum, then your moisturizer, followed with your sunscreen. Okay, this is how you're going to do it. First, wash your face with your cleanser, follow with your toner, then your essence. If you're the type that uses essence, then go in with your serum. Any serum that you're using, this is the best time to apply it. Then follow with your moisturizer before sunscreen. That's the best method you can use to layer your skincare products, because if you're not using the right product to layer your skin, if you're not using the right method, to layer your skincare product, they might not work effectively. Another mistake is over exfoliating your skin. Yes, this can lead to irritation. Okay, over exfoliating your skin can lead to irritation of the skin. So make sure you're exfoliating your skin at least 1 to 3 times a week, depending on your skin type, because over exfoliate can cause your body to be sensitive, like you start reacting to product. This is when you apply your product and the thing will start giving you tingly sensation and all that. It will cause your body to be reacting to products. So minimize how you use your exfoliating products. It is very, very necessary. So another mistake that you guys are doing is that not moisturizing oily skin. You say, oh, I have oily skin, I can't moisturize my body, I don't use lotions, I sweat a lot, my body is too oily to be moisturized. You are making a huge mistake, because this will make your skin to be producing more sebum. Okay, the best thing you can do for yourself is to get yourself a lightweight oil-free moisturizer to be moisturizing your skin. It is very, very important to moisturize your skin with oil-free moisturizers. It is very good for your skin type. So guys, how many of these mistakes are you guys guilty of? Let me know in the comment section. And also, if this video is the type of video that you wishes to see all the time, please kindly like, comment and share this video, and also follow my account for more amazing videos like this. You're welcome.